so angry. We need to find. Come, let's go put him out. I'm gonna put you out. He's troubling me. Open this door. Let's put you out here. That's it. Are gearing up to go for lunch and then soon after go and hunt for some elephants. Apparently there were sightings until last week itself, so I'm kind of hopeful about this place, but again, as I keep saying again and again and again, you cannot trust wildlife and how they will be at that particular moment. So fingers crossed, I really hope to see some wild elephants. So we just actually reached, and I'm assuming this is where they would normally come to drink. And they've not yet come from what I'm seeing. So let's keep our fingers crossed, because Teju and I went down a very treacherous path to get here, and I don't think it would be fair if we don't see at least one. Cute little ducks right over there. Just spotted a few that just came out. 3, and there are quite a few out there. That cannot be, literally, that cannot be why Jesus died for people. But there they are. Beauty. So the reason why these elephants actually come here is to get minerals that are only found in this particular stream. Once the elephants come here, they chill out, they eat, they drink, they get whatever they need, and they actually migrate straight to Tamil Nadu straight after here. Okay, these are not, it's not a full herd that's here. They are, right? Yeah. So normally there would be like a matriarch which would like guide them here, but like, I don't know. So I began to wonder if these elephants were actually part of some conservation program, because they were all juveniles. And the only reason I thought that was because normally there is always a giant matriarch that sort of guides the juvenile elephants, but here there were a lot of juvenile elephants. All of these that you're seeing right now don't look that old. I really began to wonder where on earth was the matriarch of this group. The little bit. Oh, yes. My heart is melting. Monkey. Just been joined by a few more. Again, all of them have come from their mud bath. And elephants normally do this to get rid of parasites and everything. And as you can see, there is a cute little baby in between all of them. This baby is literally just born. It's hardly a few months old. Maybe like around 2 months, Doesn't even look 2 months actually. And the biggest one over there, the one right behind, I suspect that is the matriarch of the group. So here's hoping I don't get mud on my face. See the baby in between the mother over there. He's drowning. Picking us apart. Oh. I'm gonna die. Really drowned him. Why? Look. So we just came back. It was a long journey, and in between, Tejas and I even fought on the way. And yeah, we're just like just sitting in silence. It's a long story, I guess. Right now, we've just stopped at a restaurant, gotten food and water, and now we're gonna head back. The Airbnb is like around 5 minutes away now. It's a small drive, so I really just want to get home now. So, yeah.